Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today's session is related to one of the greatest literary writers in the history of English literature, John Milton. John Milton is known for his greatest work, which justifies the ways of God to men, known as Paradise Lost. When we want to see a literary writer and the life of the literary writer plays a significant role in the development of a writer as a poet or a novelist. Here we deal with hermeneutics. Hermeneutics provides a framework for interpreting a literary author's work by considering the author's intent, historical background, and cultural context, the structure of the text itself, and the reader's own perspective as well. The process moves beyond a surface level reading to uncover deeper layers of meaning. So, as a whole, in order to understand a work of literature, we have to take all these things into consideration in order to analyze a piece of literary writing.